Are you looking for to transform an IKEA kitchen into something very beautiful and special to your child? Hi, my name is Joy and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to transform and renovate a simple IKEA play kitchen. It's a fun project, easy to do, and can be done in 1 week. So come with me and I'll show you how I did my play kitchen. If you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll be showing you everything I use for my play kitchen or my daughter's play kitchen, and also some ideas of what to use to customize a play kitchen just for you or for your child. So stay with me until the end of this video. Number one, we're gonna unbox and separate every piece. Number two, to the store we go. We need to get all the supplies for our project. Now for the spray colors, I picked a prime white for the cabinet. Then we picked a, I would say, rose gold for the metal parts, if you will. That should be the white and the kind of rose gold. Now off to find our backsplash. Okay, so now we need to pick up the tiles. There's all different kind of tiles. They are very easy to install. You just peel and stick. Peel and stick, easy to install. So the reason we got the supplies in the store was because we were a few days away from gifting this kitchen to our daughter. But don't worry, I'll be sharing in the end of this video a couple of links where you can get them online so you don't have to go to the store. Like this guy, the subway tile. It looks just like that over there. And I think that's all we're gonna get. We need to find some under cabinet lights. There you go. So after finding this light at Lowe's, we remembered seeing the same kind of light at the dollar store. So off to Dollar General we go. We're going to try to find one more thing and then we're done. Now we're gonna go to the dollar store trying to find the light for this kitchen. And now that we have all the supplies, let's get to it. So here's a tip for you. Before you start spraying your cabinets, make sure to grab a piece of cardboard or scrap wood, and one, double check that's the color you wanted, and two, practice your spraying skills. Whenever you're doing spray painting, I'm not doing the greatest job, but you start spraying here, then you drag across and end here. Never stop or end on the piece you're spraying. So again, I start here, spray, end here. Start here, spray, end there. I don't stop across, I don't move across, otherwise you're gonna have blotches and marks all over your piece. So always start straight across and start straight across and. The same concept goes to this little metal looking parts. As you can tell, we were short on supplies. I had just moved into the house, but I tried to use the cardboards I had and place these parts as best as I could so they wouldn't touch the floor funny, so they will dry the way they were supposed to dry. So let them dry for about 24 hours. That's at least what I did, so they are not gonna be sticky whenever I touch them. Okay, now for the countertop. The countertop comes this way. It's like a light wood. Pretty, it's not bad, it's pretty. But in my case, I wanted it to look like a butcher block style. So what I did to make this transformation happen, I got this, like a stick and peel,
I never used it before. You can actually buy different kinds. You can make your countertop looks like marble, or if you would have a like quartz on it or granite, they have marble looking, quartz looking. You can have different colors. You can have pink, you can have dark.
First, we're gonna clean it and get all this dirt and dust out of our surface. Then we're gonna place we're not gonna open, we're just gonna place our sticking peel on top and measure for size and then cut it out. Now we're gonna start by peeling the little paper out of the sticky and place the very first little, I'll say 1 or 2 inches on your surface, and then my husband's helping me, so he was pulling and stretching for me, and then I was with my other hand pulling the sticker away as I was putting pressure on it and make sure that we didn't have any wrinkles and all that. Okay, now we're doing the corners. I cut in a little sections to make it easy to fold. Now we're cutting some space to insert the stovetop and the sink. Don't worry if you make it into a little mess to cut and fold, because this will be covered by the stovetop and the sink. As long as you fold it nicely and tight, it should be good to go. Now we're measuring, drilling, and installing the knobs. For the knobs, what I did was simply finding the kitchen cabinet knob that I like the most and spray paint them. Now, as you can tell, we're installing them. Last but not least, let's work on the backsplash. Since the Ikea kitchen doesn't come with a back to actually install a backsplash on, what I did, I bought a very thin little piece of wood. We cut to size, and now I'm gonna be installing this backsplash onto this piece of wood. It was a very simple process. Then with tiny little nails, we installed that backing into our kitchen.
I'm almost done. You can tell how pretty it looks. Yes.
Right after we are done with this backsplash, we're gonna be installing the remaining hardware and doors, and finally be done with our DIY kitchen makeover. I'm happy with the results, and I love the way it looked. Reminding you that I'll be linking below everything I used to put this kitchen together, so you can just click on it. And also be linking different ideas and different styles for countertops, backsplash, and color, so you can customize your kitchen the way you like.
Yeah, come on. What is it?
Push harder. Push again.
Well, so that's it. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope that your IKEA Play Kitchen renovation is as beautiful as the one I made for my daughter. Please comment below and let me know how you went, and if you have any questions, also comment below. I'll be happy to answer, and you have a great day. Bye.